Alright, this is the SDM, Salem Design Manufacturing Centerless inspection system that we've built. It's used to inspect cylindrical parts. This is a very large piece of drive shaft tubing that we've got it tooled up to test. And in the next videos we'll show how it sets up. We basically use two urethane wheels that are angled that work like a centerless grinder. They adjust in and out for different diameters. They rotate and translate the part, so we can use eddy current testing on it, gauging, laser inspection, and vision. This particular one is set up using the Criterion CR11 eddy current instrument.